Hey guys, I recently did a video reviewing these Eufy Pathway lights, and well, if you look at the very end, that one's not lit up. However, watch this. It started being able to light up when I turn it on. It would do that flash just like the rest of them do here. However, it now no longer even lights up at all, and the whole time has had this little red light. If you look super carefully, you can see there's just a little red light glowing from there. That's all I would see when it's on. All of the rest of them would work fine. It wouldn't see it, but it would light up. It would flicker when you turn the whole system on. But that one right there, for some reason, would always just be this little red LED. Well, this is the solution. You have to email Eufy. You send in a report to their service at Eufy or whatever. You can usually do it within the app. You can message them and say, hey, I got this one. They'll have you send in a video of you like turning it on, showing the little red light, whatnot. And then they sent out a replacement one. And it's as easy as screwing on the new base and screwing on this. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Disconnect the old one. Plug in our new one here. It won't light up right away when you plug it in. However, all you should have to do is turn them all off and then right back on again. So, and Eufy says this should now work. So we turn them all off and hey, there we go. It's as easy as that. Unfortunately, they don't have like a software update you can do or anything like that to fix it. You do have to just get a new one and they'll send one out to you if it's within the warranty. And Eufy was good enough to just send one out to me. I imagine they'll probably do the same thing for you guys.